Hi guys, hope you all are doing great, and I'm going to do a get ready with me video today, and I am going to shoot this video all over again. I'm sure a couple of you who follow me on Instagram know that this is the second time I'm filming this video, and this is about these two eyeshadow palettes from Swiss Beauty. They don't have a name as such, they just have numbers, so it's number 1 and number 2. So purple one is number 1 and pink is number 2. And what I love most about these palettes is that you will get a mix of matte, metallic and a pressed pigment. These colors are pretty nice. And in the second palette, again you'll get a mix of mattes, metallics and then a pigment here. I've already used this palette twice. I'll insert a picture here of my makeup look which I did, and a lot of you guys noticed that look in my Nykaa liquid lipstick swatch video. And these palettes are pretty awesome. These are priced at rupees, I think these are under 600, and the packaging is really nice. The body is of metal and the packaging is beautiful. You get 12 eyeshadows and then you get a nice full size mirror here. So I'm using a concealer to create a base for my eye makeup. Now I'll take a little bit of Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and set the eyes, set the concealer so that eyeshadows glide on really smoothly. So the first shade I'm going to take is this one. I like number 2 palette more than number 1, just because the selection of colors here, and there are darker shades and lighter shades here. So I like this palette more than this. And this looks a bit too bright. This has a lot of darker shades also. I'm not going to do anything too dramatic today because I'll be doing a lip swatch video after this, and a lot of you guys asked me not to do too much eye makeup, and I generally film 2 videos in one sitting, so that's why most of the time the first video is trying out a new product and the second video is a swatch video. So that's why you see a lot of makeup, like eye makeup, in swatch videos. Now from the same palette, these two colors are same in both the palettes. This one right here and this one right here. Both the colors are exactly same in both the palettes. I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending the crease and making sure the transition is smooth. This color for number 2 palette, this one, and use it on this. I'll go back to the same palette, pick the same dark brown color and apply it on my outer V and blend a little bit in the crease. Next I'm taking an eyeliner. This is Incolor 24/7 Glide On Auto Kajal and Eyeliner. And I'm going to smudge that out a little bit. For my face, I'll start with Natio Ageless Illuminating Primer. This is a new tube actually, and I like it because it's moisturizing and it's illuminating. It has slightly illuminating particles that are not glittery, so you can use it like every day as well. Like you don't really have to wait for a really good occasion. For my foundation, I'm going to use Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation in the shade True Toffee. I really like this foundation. It's medium coverage, but it goes on the skin really nicely and it blends really nicely. Also, the shade is pretty nice and a good match for me. I like the overall formula and finish. So this is like a really good foundation if you are looking for a new foundation. It offers you really nice medium coverage and it looks pretty nice on the skin. It doesn't look cakey at all. I'm using Benefit Boeing Airbrush Concealer for my makeup today. I like this concealer a lot. It has a very beautiful finish, and I have been using it for I think more than 1 year now, more than a year now. This is my new tub. I've already used and finished one, and it just blends into my skin so well. And I use it on the days when I'm not even wearing makeup, so it looks pretty nice on bare skin as well. As you can see, it has lifted this area, can you see? And this area still looks dark, but this area looks lifted and nice. It's not too creamy, so it's not gonna crease. Really good if you have dry skin and dry under eye area. As you can see, concealer is done. It's looking really nice. I'm going back to my Maybelline Fit Me. This is a brush from Cara brush set, and I'm taking a little bit on the brush and pressing it under the eyes. I have realized that if I use sponge to set my under eyes, like to bake my under eyes, it makes my under area really dry. With brush I can control the quantity, and I just put a very little bit amount to set and brighten the area. And I'm using Fit Me in the shade light medium because medium was like a bit too dark, and this does the job of setting and highlighting really well. It's not too highlighty on my face. It's like the perfect color. It's a beige color powder, so it kind of makes your skin look nice and airbrushed and very smooth. As you must have noticed, my under eye area is looking pretty nice and smooth right now. Next, I'm using my bronzer. This is Lottie London Tan Time Bronzer in the shade Medium Deep. This is my current favorite bronzer, and I'm using another brush from my Cara brush set. This is the powder brush, and I like these brushes because they are pretty soft, and these brushes are a mix of natural hair and synthetic brush bristles. So yeah, I really like it. You can buy Cara brushes from Amazon. I link them below. Their brush set is, I think, general retails for 2000 rupees, but right now it's on sale, so you can get them for 1800 rupees or something. I don't know, I'll check and I'll link it. I have these brushes for I think more than 6 months now, and I really like them. Really good quality. So I don't need more than this much of bronzer on my face. It's looking pretty nice. And I've just realized that I was supposed to put liquid blush, and I completely forgot and put powder on top of it. I don't want to put it now or it will look patchy, so I will grab a powder blush now. Let's finish up the makeup. So I'm going to use my Colorbar eyebrow pencil in Chestnut. This is a pretty intense eyebrow pencil, but I like to use it very lightly just to clean up my brows. Like, I apply it on the lower part of my brows and then brush it up. It just blends in so well. Can you see it? It looks pretty natural, and you can increase the intensity. Just apply a little bit more and you'll get a nice dramatic eyebrow. Can you see this eyebrow looks so good? And initially when I used it, I did not like it much because it was a bit too creamy and dark for me. And but now that I have been using it for I think a month now, I have started liking it. It's pretty easy to use, and it's pretty quick. The brows are done. As you can see, the brows are looking really nice. This color is really suitable for darker hair. So for my lower eyelashes, I'm going to use And then I'm going to grab a little bit of this one here and apply it on the inner corners. For blush, I'm going to use my Note Cosmetics powder blush in Desert Rose. This is a very beautiful color and goes really nicely with such eye makeup. For highlighter, I have the Colorbar Shimmer Brick in the shade Bronze Glow. I'm going to mist my face with the Dewy Skin Finish Mist from NYX. Now I'm taking a clean brush and this color here. So going with the theme, I'm going to apply NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Rome on my lips. This is a very beautiful color, very beautiful everyday color, and I think it's going pretty nicely with my eye makeup today. I'm really liking my makeup today, and I really like this palette number 2. Uh, in fact, both the palettes are pretty nice. The only thing is, with palette number 1, you get a lot of bright colors here, but you don't really get a darker color for the transition. This is a very dark color, and but this is not that pigmented. As you can see, it's not that pigmented, and the rest the colors are nice, so this can be bought along with number 2, because number 2 is pretty beautiful palette. Number 2 is very beautiful palette. It has transition color, it has darker colors, and the colors are pretty nice here. This is very compact, very sturdy, very good quality. Let me swatch the shades for you. I think you can see that colors are pretty nice, and the pigmentation is there even with the matte shades. This is a matte shade, these two are matte shades, and couple of them are pearly. This one is pearl finish, this is metallic, this is metallic, this is metallic, these four are metallic. So there is a mix of metallic, pearl, and matte. So the pigment would need something to stick on to, so you can either use a glitter glue like this one I have from PAC. This is PAC Sparkly Distraction Glitter Primer. For lashes, I have Hera Beauty in the style Barira. These lashes are gigantic, and this is too much. Oh my god, can you see? If you want to hide your bad eye makeup, you can wear these lashes, but this is too much for me, and I would rather apply these lashes from PAC. I really like these lashes. These are PAC number 82, and they look very natural because they are just um, half lashes, so they will stick on to the outer corners of your eyes, and they look really nice and natural, and they do their job like elongating your eyes. So yeah, the makeup is done, and I'll leave a link of these palettes in the description box. If you are interested, do give these a shot. I think these are a really good buy. These are, the front part looks almost like your Colorbar's newest launch, which was like their glitter edition or something, but these are like, I think 1/5 of the price. That one is priced at rupees 2500, and this is for 600 rupees, so it's like 1/4 of what you pay for Colorbar. Quality is good, the packaging is very nice, so I don't think why one should not get these. These are really nice, and I really picked them for the packaging, to be honest, because I really like the way the glitter falls. Can you see? It's just so mesmerizing to see it fall. I really like these. So yeah, that's about it. These loops are from Sarojini Nagar, and I bought them for 20 rupees only. These are black metal loops. I really like them. They are very chic and they are quite big. So yeah, my love for hoops is not gonna end anytime soon. So you are going to see me in hoops very often. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.